Assalamu alaikum, I'm Zaid Anaser. In today's video, I will talk about those people who want to run ads in Pakistan, those people who want to run ads for their products in Pakistan, or those who are new to local group shipping. They need an agency account. And I am also talking about those people who want to run sponsorship ads, that is, they want to get views on their TikTok profile, or they want to have more followers and their videos are not going viral. So, an agency account is for these things. In this video, I will tell you the complete procedure on how to buy an agency account. An agency account is called an agency account because these are different agencies that provide you, and you cannot create them yourself. Similarly, many agencies are providing agency accounts like Mega Digital, eComedy Media. Both these agencies, eComedy Media and Mega Digital, are working professionally, but you will get some drawbacks. Their minimum deposit is $50, which is very difficult for an individual. Minimum deposit is $50 or $200. And our agency is also working professionally. It is providing accounts to people. And those people who cannot afford to deposit so much or pay so much tax, there is no need to worry about them. I will tell you the features of our agency. In the features of our agency, it does worldwide targeting and you can also run ads in Pakistan. And the minimum deposit will be $10, not $50. You can also deposit $10. The second thing is that you can add instant payment. You can add payment from your card. And you can add payment from any Visa card or you can add payment from PayPal. The third thing about our agency is that it has 0% tax. There is no tax. We do not take any tax charges from you. And we take one-time payment from you. After that, we do not take any payment from you. The minimum deposit is $10. And with 0% tax, you can also add payment from your card. And you do not take any time to give us the account. Whenever you say, we will provide you the account at the same time. We will tell you the whole process of the account when you have to buy the account from us. The number has been given below. If anyone wants to buy the agency account, if you want to run ads in Pakistan, if you want to make your videos viral in Pakistan, if you want to increase your followers, if you want to run ads for products, if you have a Shopify store, then all those people can contact us. And they can take the agency account from us. And we are providing agency accounts at a low price right now. So that was all in today's video. So I hope people will understand. So if you have any confusion about using the agency account, then we will help you. You can message us anytime. We will help you. And if there is someone who does not have a card, cannot deposit from his card, then we also have a facility for that. He can transfer us in Jai's cash. Then we can add payment to his account. If someone does not have a card. So this was for today's video. So see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.